everybody, Trucker Mike here. Welcome back to my channel and another vlog. It's currently 6:41 in the morning. I am in line here at the Blue Beacon, and even at freaking 6:30 in the morning, there's a long line here at the Blue Beacon. Oh well, I got time. Currently 32 degrees outside. But thank God it didn't rain. There's no moisture on the roads. It's just my luck here in Atlanta, it's freeze. Oh man, need to get home. I got this big old box back there on my top bunk with all the other junk. Which is my headlight. One of two brand new headlights that I need to get. I got one. Gotta get the driver's side now. Well, that's cool though, because now when I go home, I could just start working on it and take my time. You know, design it. I got a pretty good idea of what I want to do, and you know, I've stood in front of my headlights and just pictured, you know, whatever the headlights with, you know. But now, since I got that new headlight and I buy another one, I can take my time doing it, and I don't have to take the old headlights out to do it. So I'm not in a rush to get it finished because it's not going to keep me from driving. If that makes sense. So, yeah, anyways, we're going to get this truck washed. We've probably got about a 2-hour wait, which is fine. I need a truck wash. I'll keep you guys posted. I'll check back with you guys later. Alright, got my truck washed, hair washed, truck looks good, but now I'm stuck in Atlanta traffic, trying to work my way over to 85 North. Sign back there says something about debris in the center lane or something, which I'm in the center lane, so that's going to suck. Oh, I hate Atlanta traffic. But on a good note, it's a gorgeous day today. It is Thursday the 25th, I believe. Yeah, 25th. 9:04 a.m. in the morning. Just got to get through this traffic. On another note, plumbers came out to my house yesterday because every time somebody took a shower, it would stink up the whole house, which I kind of figured. My first thought was that either the line is clogged or the septic tank's full. So they came out and snaked it and everything, and it was still backed up. So it's the septic tank is full. So I got the septic service people coming out today to pump out the septic tank and fix the issue. Which is actually pretty good, because we've been in the house for 11, 12 years now and never had the septic tank pumped out. So that's pretty good time. That's a long time. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel and another vlog. I'm Trucker Mike. I started a vlog yesterday, but I didn't get that much content. So I guess what I decided I'm going to do is combine yesterday's vlog with today's vlog and make one big vlog. I keep looking over there, and I need to look right there. Not like I want to look at myself. So, anyways, I'm at my receiver here in Sandston, Virginia, which is Richmond area. Got this load of ice cream backed up to the door. Just waiting for them to come out and let me know when to open my doors and back up all the way. So, it's cold. It's, what is it today? Currently 26 degrees right now. Now, I've been in shorts for the last 3 or 4 days. And I come up here and I gotta put jeans on. We're supposed to get up to 55 today, so maybe I'll put them back on. Yeah, it's gonna be 62 here tomorrow, 55, 50. Yeah, it's gonna be nice the rest of the week. I mean, it'll get cold, you know, during the morning hours, but it'll warm up during the day. I said I was gonna do a review on my iPhone 10, and I haven't done it yet, but I've had it since December, and I'll tell you what, I absolutely love it. I mean, compared, kind of rearranging where I record at now, my phone on my windshield, I took it off. But compared to when I had this with a case on it, compared to this, I mean, you can see the size difference. Which is weird because it's the same width. Well, no, with the case on it, it's the same width. But you know, this obviously is bigger. The screen on this one is wider, but there's more screen on this one. If that makes any sense? Because with this one, you know, it has the top and the bottom border and whatnot. This one has no borders. It's all screen. So even though it feels a lot better in the hand and it's a lot more comfortable to hold, I'm still getting more screen on the iPhone 10 than the 6 Plus. Although the screen on this one's a little bit wider from here to here, this one's a whole lot taller. So, I like it. My wife says that, oh, you're not gonna like it, but because I've been so used to, you know, having the big phone. But I tell you what, it's a lot easier to put it in your pocket or your back pocket or your jacket pocket and not knowing it's there. And yeah, the speed on it is just unbelievable. And the Face ID, it's fast. I mean, I'll demonstrate how fast it is. All right. So you can see it's locked, right? Unlock. I mean, unlock it again. All right. Locked. All you have to do is look at it. No. Hold on. Unlocked. Lock, unlock. Just that fast. And then you swipe up and then you got it. So anyway, I'll probably do a full review on it here sometime this week or maybe next week. But yeah. Alright everybody, just to let you know what's been going on. I got unloaded this morning. Went to exit 3A off of 295. There's a Pilot truck stop, and then right down the road there's a Shell station with a washout. So I got my trailer washed out, then I went to the Pilot, waited for my next load. And they sent me my next load, picks up here at Newport News, Meat Load, Smithfield, what I think it is. And it's 4 stops. In Tennessee. It pays really good. Oh man, it's construction. So I'm about 4 miles to my pickup. go here and pick it up, and then drive about 250 miles and call it a day and do the rest tomorrow. Then we turn left here. There's a 7-Eleven. I had a park there while I waited for a load one time. Bobtail, of course. You can park in the alley, what I call it. Come on, camera, focus. Focus, done, you son. And we are there. We're here. Hope he doesn't get a ticket for parking on the street. I think they're a little busy. Alrighty, I made it to the Flying J here at Fort Chiswell, Virginia, exit 80 off of 81 South. Got me a parking spot. Well, actually, I reserved me a parking spot, which is kind of dumb. Well, it's not dumb, but Pilot's doing this thing now that when you reserve a spot, they assign you a spot number. They're numbered 1 through however many number reserve spots they have. Apparently, I was number 1. Of course, somebody's in my spot, so I just grabbed an empty spot. I don't care. I mean, it's not going to work out for them like they're hoping it does. I mean, people don't give a shit. They're just going to grab a spot. So anyways, I'm going to wind down for about an hour and then I'm going to go to bed. In the meantime, I'm going to finish taking this thing apart. This is the Cobra inverter that Prime uses. They install with the Rigmasters, or I'm guessing they install in all the trucks, even with Tri-Pack. I don't know. Anyway, it doesn't work anymore. It hasn't worked in 4 years, 3 years, 4 years. It's just been sitting back there. But I'm going to take the fans out of it. There's 2 fans, and they're the same size fans that are on my CB that I just had work done to it. I had that RFX 75 put on. So I'm going to take these out and have some spare fans. So that being said, I'm going to end my vlog here. If you liked the video, hit that like button, comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. And I will see you guys tomorrow.